Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside the box of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Bundle. So I recently got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Bundle from Best Buy, and it was actually an open box, so it was slightly discounted. But I wanted to make sure that everything that was supposed to be in there was actually in there. So first off, you have the main piece, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket. So it should look like this top portion that you see right over here. Then you have a battery handle, and this actually adds about 6 hours of battery life to your DJI Osmo Pocket. Then you have the mini tripod, which is located right over here. This right here is a 1/4 screw mount. I don't really use this often just because this right here already houses the mini tripod that you see here. It also comes with a DJI Mic 2 transmitter. So the mic that you see here connects via Bluetooth to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so it just connects via Bluetooth. You also have a really neat carrying case with segregation compartments. You also have magnets. You have here, which is a wide angle lens. So this is actually really neat because I remember with the previous versions of the DJI Osmo Pocket, you would actually have to buy the lens separately. So it's really neat that they actually go ahead and include their own wide angle lens. Now, in addition to that, you also have a charging cable, which is a Type-C cable. And you also get this cover for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this cover here, anytime that you're done using it, you could actually just go ahead and place the actual camera in this cover just like that. So it's a really neat way to go ahead and protect it. But overall, I'd say that with the Creator Bundle, it's totally worth it. If you're looking to make really easy videos, definitely check this out. I've learned from other videos, or basically when it comes to filming, if you reduce the amount of friction that it takes to film, you're more likely to film. And with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I think they make it very, very easy for you to get started to go ahead and film just like this. So if you flip this open, it automatically turns on. And then if you triple press, it'll actually go ahead and rotate the gimbal. And you can see there, we're already filming. So the quality is great. Very, very happy with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. The only thing that it's missing is that you do need your own micro SD card, which does not come with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The micro SD card does insert over here. But overall, I'd say, yeah, if you're looking to get into vlogging or creating content, definitely check this out.